7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're looking at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading for $23,039. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin has gone as high as $24,294 and as low as $18,966. Currently, Bitcoin is still number one in the crypto market. The altcoin market is pumping really hard. We've had a green month, we've had a green week, but guys, right now we're having a red day in the crypto market. Is this really rally over? Are we going to see higher prices for Bitcoin? Can Bitcoin keep pumping to as high as $27,000, maybe $30,000? Should we start selling our Bitcoin right now? Are we going to see lower prices? In this video, we're looking at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. We're looking at Bitcoin dominance. We also look at Bitcoin's market cap. Should we start buying Bitcoin right now? Are we going to get opportunity to buy Bitcoin for lower prices? Or should we start forming right now because Bitcoin is heading straight to 30K? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you don't get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, Bitcoin is down 41.3%. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 20.4%. In the last 1 week, Bitcoin is up 5.7%. But in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has lost 2.4%. So the $1 million question, should we start accumulating some Bitcoin right now? Or should we wait for cheaper prices in the bear market? From the bottom of Bitcoin that came in right here on the 19th of June 2022, Bitcoin has pumped over 37% in 41 days. Bitcoin went from $17,767 to as high as $24,200. Should we get some Bitcoin right now or should we wait for cheaper prices? Guys, important levels Bitcoin will need to crack for us to get back to $30,000 is that $25,000 region. We need Bitcoin to close a weekly candle above 25,000. Bitcoin has not been able to do that. This is a strong resistance level for Bitcoin at 24,000. You can see that when Bitcoin was pumping into the space in 2020 December, you can see that Bitcoin took a chill pill at 24,000, and that was just to mark a future reference point. And right now, that looks like a huge resistance for Bitcoin. Twice Bitcoin has tapped 24,000, and Bitcoin has not been able to comfortably break above 24,000. So I'm going to see lower price for Bitcoin. A lot of metrics are showing us that maybe, just maybe, the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market is in. For my own money, I think Bitcoin will continue ranging for the months on end. We know that previous Bitcoin bear cycle has lasted over 1 year. This current bear cycle is not up to a year. Bitcoin topped in November 2021. We still have at least 3 months for us to clock a year from the top of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin got to as high as $69,000. Guys, the scenario that will get a lot of traders wrecked is Bitcoin pumping to as high as 27,000 and then maybe dumping back to 20,000. And that scenario I see playing out in the coming weeks is that Bitcoin will probably drop down straight to around 20,000, 18,000. A lot of people think we're going back to Goblin Town and sell everything, and then Bitcoin will start pumping again. Because right now, guys, altcoins in the altcoin market are actually pumping really hard, and history has shown that anytime all these altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, that's the time you want to start getting out of the market. It looks as if that cycle of pump is over, but just maybe, this is the fake out of all fake out. So let's look at Bitcoin on a weekly time frame. Let's look at it on a larger time scale. Let's look at what Bitcoin did on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, guys, Bitcoin came back to test its previous all-time high that it got to in 2018. What a clean test of the previous all-time high. And right now on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin doesn't have any significant resistance. Still $30,000. That's why a lot of people are calling for 29,000. A lot of people are calling for 28,000. Some people are saying Bitcoin can actually go to new all-time high. If you look at the Bitcoin price chart, the significant gap right here, you can see that when Bitcoin lost 30,000, Bitcoin fell straight to 17,000. So a lot of people are postulating that maybe Bitcoin will just pump straight to 30,000. But guys, I don't think that will happen because a lot of people are waiting for Bitcoin at this point in time to get to 30,000. I may not get there, but some good news for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin actually closed the week above its 200 moving average. History has shown that anytime Bitcoin is in the bear market, the 200 moving average has always served as a bottom for Bitcoin. It happened in 2015, it happened in 2018, and right now in 2022, Bitcoin just pierced through that moving average, but Bitcoin has been consolidating around the 200 week moving average. How long will Bitcoin consolidate here? Are we going to get lower prices for Bitcoin? Guys, remember we had a target of 16,800 as our bear market bottom. Bitcoin got as close as possible to 16,800. It got to 17,600. I'm still hoping for cheaper prices for Bitcoin, guys, because a lot of people are foaming right now. But all the people that are selling Bitcoin to you right now are the people that bought at 17,000. All coins are pumping, but all coins are risky. But guys, if you want to survive the bear market, you want to follow Bitcoin's progress. So I just see us ranging in the next few months. I see Bitcoin probably getting to as high as 30,000, and Bitcoin will get to 30,000. A lot of people from mobile and thinking we're going to new all-time highs. The bull run is back on. A lot of people are saying, oh, we're back in the bull run. The bear market is over. Guys, if the bear market is over, this will be the shortest bear market Bitcoin has ever had. Another thing we have to take into consideration is that if Bitcoin bear market is over, then we're in the early stages of the next bull run. That's a possibility. Yes, I'm all bearish in this video. I'm telling you how Bitcoin can go to lower prices. But guys, Bitcoin bear market can be legitimately over because a lot of people are arguing that the top of Bitcoin's market cycle came in right here in May 2021. And if that was the top of the Bitcoin market cycle, that means Bitcoin has done more than a year in the bear market. That means we set a new all-time high in the bear market. I don't think that's what's happening right here. Maybe, just maybe, we might see lower prices because the macro conditions are not still favorable for Bitcoin to pump. The Fed are already increasing interest rates. We know that anytime the stock market is dumping, Bitcoin will be dumping. But right now, the stock market is rallying. So let's see how high Bitcoin can go. Let's look at Bitcoin's dominance in the market. Bitcoin dominance in the market tells us when market participants are actually heavy Bitcoin or they're heavy altcoins. Anytime they're heavy altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance in the market falls down. But anytime they're heavy Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance in the market increases. And we can see that since May 2021, a lot of people have been dabbling in altcoins, buying the dip because Bitcoin dominance fell from as high as 72% in January 4, 2021. Bitcoin dominance lost more than 46%. Bitcoin dominance went to as low as 39%. And that was alt season. That was peak alt season. Altcoins were going to the moon. Everything and anything you bought in that period of time was going to space. But since then, we have been seeing the market ranging. Bitcoin dominance has actually been ranging even when the market was dumping. Bitcoin dominance went to a high in August. The market dumped really hard. The market pumped. Bitcoin dominance reduced again. The market dumped again entering October. Bitcoin dominance increased. And when Bitcoin set a new all-time high in December, November, the altcoins were actually pumping there. You can see the Bitcoin dominance tried to break through a new low for all season to happen, but that didn't happen. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is actually falling. How low can it go? Are we going to see a new all-time low for Bitcoin dominance? Probably not. History has shown that anytime Bitcoin dominance is setting a new low, then maybe, just maybe, we're going to see alt season. But guys, right now, it looks as if everything is not going to work that way. I may see Bitcoin dominance. I can actually see Bitcoin dominance going to as high as 56% in the future. We know that during the bear market, Bitcoin dominance actually increased because a lot of these altcoins will tank really hard. There are three reasons why Bitcoin dominance might be increasing, guys. The number one reason is that Bitcoin is outperforming the rest of the market. The second reason why Bitcoin dominance might be increasing is that the rest of the market is just ranging and Bitcoin is actually pumping. And the third reason why Bitcoin dominance might actually be increasing is that the rest of the market is dumping, but Bitcoin is not dumping as fast as the altcoins. Bitcoin's crash from 69,000 straight to 17,000 was very, very brutal. We had a lot of liquidations. 3AC blew up, Celsius blew up, and we had Terra Luna situation, a 72% drop in Bitcoin. But guys, in the previous Bitcoin bear market, we have seen that Bitcoin normally lose around 80% of its value during the bear market. If Bitcoin is going to repeat the same trick again and lose 80% of its value during the bear market, guys, we're going to see Bitcoin trading for maybe, just maybe, we'll see Bitcoin trading for $10,000. It's very, very possible. From where we are right now, Bitcoin needs to drop another 50%. And we know that in the previous bear market, the final dump Bitcoin had was a 50% dump. Bitcoin went from as high as 6,400 to as low as 3,200 in just 28 days. So Bitcoin can still dump really, really hard. A lot of people are expecting lower prices, myself included. But guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Tell me, what are you expecting Bitcoin to do in the coming days? Do you expect us to go straight to 30K? Or we're going to gobbling down below 20K. Looking at Bitcoin's market cap, Bitcoin market cap is currently at $441 billion. At the depth of the dump we had in this market cycle, Bitcoin's market cap got to as low as $337 billion. That's the previous all-time high for Bitcoin's market cap that we had in 2017. So a lot of factors are showing us that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in for Bitcoin. But at the same time, we are seeing a lot of factors that are telling us maybe there's one leg downwards, or Another school of thought say we'll just be ranging. We'll see Bitcoin ranging in the coming months before we'll finally pump into space. Only time we tell. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The crypto market is still in extreme fear right now. All coins are pumping, which is a bad sign for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading for $23,157. What will you be doing with your Bitcoin during the bear market? Will you be buying more Bitcoin? Will you be selling your Bitcoin into the pump? Or will you just be hodling through all the chaos? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.